Replacing a leaky or outdated faucet isn't as difficult as you may think. Start by turning off the water supply. Most of the time, you'll find the valves underneath the sink. Once they're off, open the faucet to drain any water left in the pipes. Next, disconnect the supply lines from the old faucet. Then disconnect the lift rod. Remove the nuts from underneath and take out the faucet. Since most new faucets come with a matching drain plug, you'll want to remove the old one. Be sure to have a bucket nearby to catch the water and then remove the P-trap. Disconnect the drain from the sink. If you're keeping the old sink, clean around the old drain and faucet holes. If you're installing a new vanity and sink, it's much easier to mount the faucet before you put the sink in place. Speaking of sinks, you'll either have 1, 2, or 3 holes. It'll either be center set or widespread. Make sure that you purchase a faucet that matches the holes in your sink. Follow the manufacturer's directions for installation. Our faucet is center set. Put the gasket on first, then insert the faucet through the mounting holes and tighten the nuts. Next, install the drain body and a rubber washer through the top of the sink. Apply a little bit of silicone between the rubber gasket and the bottom of the sink. Secure it with the lock nut. Clean up excess silicone with mineral spirits. Insert the ball rod into the drain assembly and tighten the sleeve. Next, insert the lift rod into the faucet. Connect the lift rod to the lift rod strap by pushing the button. Then, make sure the ball rod is in the down position and attach the lift rod strap to the ball rod. Before setting the sink into place, connect the supply lines to the faucet shanks. Then install the sink and connect the supply lines to the water valves. It's a good idea to flush the new faucet and check for leaks before you're done. Just remove the aerator, run hot and cold water for 1 minute. Check all the connections and retighten if needed. Replace the aerator and you're done installing your new bathroom faucet. Go to lowes.com/how-to for more project ideas.